In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a GreenGeeks coupon code that will get you a GreenGeeks discount, saving you money. You'll get 70% off GreenGeeks hosting plans, plus get a free domain name. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the GreenGeeks discount. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your GreenGeeks discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Now let me walk you through the steps. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the GreenGeeks page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be where you'll see the GreenGeeks Plans. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Lite, Pro, and Premium plan. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $2.95 a month with the Lite plan, $4.95 a month with the Pro plan, and $8.95 a month with the Premium plan. Once you hit the Get Started button on the plan you want to go with, you'll be able to choose a free domain name. You can search for and type in the domain name that you want in the Create a New Domain section. Once you complete this step, you'll be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. Below that, you'll see Package Information. Under that, you'll see Account Plan. You'll see you'll get the cheapest pricing going with the annual 1-year term. Next, you can change the server location if needed, and then select any essential add-ons you'd like and enter your payment information details and click the Create Account button. At this point, you've successfully purchased GreenGeeks hosting and taken advantage of the GreenGeeks discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.